Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Zarif Hakimi bin Muhammad Asri, and today I would like to do the presentation about our company, about Shari Tech. So to start, we begin with a preamble. So Shari Tech is a company that is provide a quality services based on the software development and also the web design studio based in Malaysia. So Sharitech also a company was established in the late of 2017 and officially opened in early of 2018. Our company base is on the Penang Island, which is the selected area is around of the Pilgrim. Our company also Sharitech have a great team member who can handle their roles who we expect in system development, such as planning, analysis, design, implementation, and maintenance. Furthermore, I would like to add that our company also have the two huge big project, which is Trash for Cash and the QRP. Next, we'll talk about the charity technician. So we are a passionate group of software developers that specialize in customer system and also the software for the client in all industries across Malaysia. So Charity Vision also, our focus is on provide software solution for our clients. Our passion is the enhancements of business efficiency for our clients through the use of smart software and techniques in development system. Next, about our objective, we shall tell our services to you or to the users with competitive rates through the careful selection of local technical talent, thereby increasing the savings and efficiency of the project.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Syahmi bin Muhammad Arif, and today I'm going to present about the initiative phase and the planning phase for our project, that is Instant Card for Billion Shopping Centre. For the introduction, project management is the application of specialized knowledge, skills, tools, and techniques to offer services to people. Projects come to an end when their goals are met or the project is completed. A project might be large or little, and it can be completed quickly or slowly. In the project management, there will be three constraints for a project to be successful. The three constraints are scope, time, and cost. These three goals must be met in order for the entire process to be smooth and meet the needs and expectation of project stakeholders. We go to the next part. Project integration management is the process of coordinating all project components. This includes resolving conflicts across project parts, conducting business between requests and evaluating resources, as well as managing tasks, resources, stakeholders, and any other project elements. Project manager is the one who is responsible person to ensure that the project progress is on the right track. Next is project business case. This will be our project business case. The net present value will be presented by Deputy Project Manager, that is Zarif Hakimi.
Next, I will continue from the Shahmi presentation. I will present about NET present value or known as an NPV. So based on this table, about the discount rate of our company that I have given for the client is of around 9%, and the cost that we want for this project around 70,000 ringgit Malaysia. And of course, the benefits that we have taught about around 120 ringgit. And after all the calculations about the community's benefits cost of everything, we think the first year we can get the benefits of it from this project around 3,345 ringgit 50 cents, and about the NET present value is around 189,177 ringgit 59 cents. And for the calculation for NET present value, we're using this formula, and I would like to mention about return on investment or ROI. So the return on investment ROI is about 95%. So next is about the payback chart. So the payback chart, we can see the lines of blue and the orange is across for the second year, which is I think this is second year, so we can get the benefits from the second year.
And the next one is stakeholder register. The stakeholder will be consist of 6 stakeholder. 4 of the 6 stakeholder will be the team members, and the other 2 is the external stakeholder that are CEO of our company and the director of Billion Shopping Centre. We go to the planning phase. Planning phase is a collection of documents that can evolve as the project progresses. Deliverables, timing, and schedules, as well as team roles and responsibilities, are all communicated throughout the project planning. During the planning phase of a project, the project manager is expected to consider any risks and barriers that can arise. In project planning phase, the key output included in the project are team contract, project scope management, work breakdown structure, project schedule, and a list of prioritized risks. Next is team contract. This will be our team contract with the clients, that is Billion Shopping Center. This is the scope statement and the element involved in the scope statement. The next one is statement of work. A statement of work is a formal document that describes a vendor's whole scope of work and clarifies deliverables, pricing, and timelines. It is necessary when a project includes vendors and external collaborators in addition to the internal project team. The elements involved in statement of work are scope of work, location of work, period of performance, acceptance criteria, and applicable standard. And the last one is change request form. This will be the change request form that will be used in our project during the completion project. That's all from me. Thank you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Imran Hakim Adnan, and I will discuss about project scope management. Project scope management is defined as the process whereby the output, outcome, and benefit are identified, defined, and controlled. Scope is the term used in the management of project refer to the totality of the output, outcome, and benefit, and the work required to produce them. So, in this chapter, it will use work-down structure and network diagram to show the workflow for this instant card system. So, in work breakdown structure, is a deliberate oriented hierarchical decomposition of the work involved in a project that define the total scope of the project. And we also refer to 5 phases of project management, such as initiation, planning, execution, monitoring, and controlling, to help us to develop work breakdown structure with effective and efficiency. The total we require to do the process or the period we need is around 4 months to finish, phase by phase. For the network diagram, in initiation plan, the duration required in this phase is 15 days, and for the planning is 30 days, execution 55 days, and lastly monitoring and controlling phase, which is it require 20 days. Next, we move to the project risk management. It refers to as anticipated incident that has the potential to affect your project in either a positive or negative way. Risk can have an impact on anything such as people, process, technology, and resource, and among other things. So, in this point, it have a list of prioritized risks. At the first rank, we have change of project workflow. For the second rank, system failure. Third rank, unplanned work that must be accommodated. 4, increased workload create conflict with the team goal. 5, lack of communication that causing lack of clarity and confusion. 6, the project's purpose and needs were not clear. 7, no control over staff priority. 8, legal action slow progress on project. And lastly, cost over budget. This might be a lot of detailed planning done for each risk on big project to make sure mitigation strategy are ready if problem happen. A simple list of high, medium and low priority risk might be enough for small project. That's all.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sulaiman Hakim bin Kamaluddin. So I would like to present about project human resource management and project communication management. So the first one is about project human resource management, that organizing and managing a project team. It's about project human resource management, and also people with distinct talents and duties generally make up the team. At the start of the project team, also known as a project personnel, should be involved in planning and decision making. The next one is project team chart. So the project manager is Muhammad Syahmi bin Muhammad Arif, and his deputy is Muhammad Zarif Hakimi bin Muhammad Asri. The programmer is Imran Hakim bin Adnan, and the system analyst is Luqman Hakim bin Kamaluddin. So the next one is project communication management. So the communication for the project management is critical in ensuring that everyone in the project management team is on the same page. There might be a breakdown in procedures if all the team members and project stakeholders are not communicating, can have a detrimental influence of the final output. And this is the communication management plan. The communication plan is written document that outline, identify, and describe the project communication requirements and expectation. So the stakeholders management strategy, and this is the monthly progress report that reported by Muhammad Zarif Hakimi as a deputy project manager. He is signed that tasks that have been complete this month, the frame has been completed. Hold a meeting for the first time, ensure all the stakeholders understand the project, and the suggestion is to the development team needs to have a clear and understand of the project to be undertaken.
So next about the closing the project. So closing the project or close project is a phase or the process of analyzing all the activities for the project phase or the contract. So the key benefits of this process are the project or the phase information is achieved. So the planned work is completed and organizational team resources are released to pursue new project in advance. So our project team will assess how well a project satisfies client expectation and determine what aspects of the project are working well and which needs to be improved. So our project team will also detail approaches for improvement as well as summarize lesson gained and best practices based on the feedback that we receive from this project. Furthermore, I think for more details that our project process has been running for months. This project started in late of January and ends in late of May. So based on the feedback, we will improve our services to be more better.